Okay, so we have two examples here, and I'm going to show you kind of the long way on the first one like we did in the last video, and then I'll show you kind of a little bit of a shortcut on the second one, and then I'm going to make up a third. Okay, so I to the 27th. Okay, how many times does 4 go into 27? Because every group of 4 is just going to be 1. So 4 goes into 27, 6 times, it's 24, and the remainder is 3. Okay. So that last problem in the last video, I just made that one up. What we have then is we have this 27 is 4 times 6 plus 3. So it's 4 times 6 plus the 3. Okay. So what I have is I have I to the 4th, but I have 6 of them. That's the 24. And then times I cubed, and that's the 3. So what I really want is just the remainder. I don't even care about the 4 times 6 because all of this is just going to be 1. It's 1 to the 6th, which is just 1. And then I cubed, well, that I need my I chart for, but it's negative I. Okay. So final answer here, this is just 1. Final answer is negative I. All right, let me give you the I chart again. I'll just put it right here. I is I. I squared is negative 1. I cubed, well, it's the two of them multiplied together, which is negative I. And then I to the 4th is just 1. So every time you're dividing by 4, you're going to get one of these situations. Okay, I'll explain the last situation in a minute. All right, so let's say you have I to the 58. Okay, how many times does 4 go into 58? I don't know. 1 and 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So my remainder is 2. This is really all I'm interested in. The 4 times 14, all of that's just going to be 1. So this I to the 58th is really going to be the same thing as I squared, which is negative 1. That comes from my I chart right there. Okay? Let's see. All right, I said I'd make one up. Let's say you have I to the 80th power. And you're like, oh, I get this. I don't have to write it out 80 times. I just say, how many times does 4 go into 80? 20. And there's no remainder. So what is I to the 0? Well, you can think about your pattern here, but anything to the 0 power is 1. So it's still going to be 1. Okay, so just in case you were wondering, that's what's happening now, in case that comes up. Okay, well, good luck with these. They're kind of fun. I don't know how much you'll see them, but now we know how to do like a higher exponent on I.